Hi, this is Kelly Glick, and this is my presentation on People First Language. Why People First Language? Disabilities are not defining labels. People are parents, friends, daughters and sons, siblings, coworkers first. They are not their disability first. Historically, the word disability has been used to determine if someone is eligible for services. For example, job placement or rehabilitation services. It has also been used to denote an accommodation that provides accessibility, like a designated handicap parking sticker or sign. Words like handicap, disabled, and special needs all hold negative connotations, either because of their historical context or because of the negative way the word is used in other contexts. Stay away from words that contain judgment. Someone suffers from a diagnosis or is confined to a wheelchair. People with disabilities are not broken or incapable or in need of pity. When we speak about people with disabilities as having a problem, we are embracing an attitude that they are less than others. Often, disabilities are created by an environmental context that doesn't support them, or by an attitude that different is bad. People with disabilities also have many abilities. People First language acknowledges the person first. The person may use certain resources or have certain conditions, but the person is defined by his or her name and as a person first. Use medical terms instead of words that contain judgment. Has a mental illness, not crazy or insane. In a coma, not a vegetable. Using respectful language is not the only way to be helpful. Some additional ideas are listed here. Treating others as whole people as opposed to people who cannot express their opinions or needs is necessary in order to communicate respect and bestow dignity. While People First language has been applied primarily to people with disabilities, disrespectful language has also been applied to students and families who have immigrated to the United States. I appreciate that my district is now using the term newcomer to refer to students who have recently immigrated. Words such as illegal or aliens are no longer being used to refer to students or families. Rocky Mountain High School is known in our area for having a great school culture. We have many students who have felt disrespected at other sites and have transferred to our school. The chalk message on the right was left in front of the school a few weeks ago for teachers by a former student. Offensive language related to race, ethnicity, ability levels, mental health issues, and gender or sexual orientation are not tolerated, and students often police each other. Staff, me included, do refer to kids as gen ed or special ed kids as we discuss plans, staff contacts, and concerns. That does not comply with People First language, so I propose that we make a concerted effort to use, and ask others to use, students with IEPs as opposed to special ed students in the future. So many words or phrases used to represent medical terms for people with disabilities, but now they are used as insults. Let's all make a pledge to make sure that our language is respectful and puts people first. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day.